हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये आपने क्या सुना है? ध्वनि और साउंड. सो दैट वाज द साउंड फ्रॉम माय गिटार and this poem is titled Dhwani. Actually, this poem Dhwani, the meaning is nothing compared to sound, but it is a theory of the poem in which the suggested meaning is more important than the meanings of the words. So we'll go to the poem. Before that, we'll go to the mind map and then to the meaning of the poem.
So dear students, this is the mind map of the poem ध्वनि. यहाँ पर नव जीवन मिला है, new life to the poet, and he says it is like spring, वसंत ऋतु उनके जीवन में आया है, spring, and he's comparing the youth, युवा, to the flowers, that is pushpa, and he's telling that this new life, new energy he has got, नव जीवन जो उनके अंदर आया है, he will take out the sleepiness and laziness from the youth, tandralas, that is sleepiness and laziness, and he will show the way that the youth should go through his poems. He will, वो उन्हें द्वार दिखाएंगे उनका जीवन जीने के लिए, उनके सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए. ध्वनि. अभी न होगा मेरा अंत, अभी अभी ही तो आया है, मेरे मन में मृदुल वसंत, अभी न होगा मेरा अंत. The poet saying that my life is not going to end now because the sweet spring season has just arrived in my life. So my life is not going to end now. Abhi abhi, just now, Vasant, spring season, 1, forest. हरे हरे ये पात, डालियां कलियां कोमल गात, मैं ही अपना स्वप्न मृदुल कर फेरूंगा निद्रित कलियों पर, जगा एक प्रत्यूष मनोहर. So the poet is saying, just as in spring season the leaves become green and we can see newness in the nature all around us, in the same way my body, Gat, is also experiencing new life, new energy to accomplish the impossibilities. So I will spread my hands on the Nidrit Kaliyan, that is the sleepy buds. He's comparing the buds, the Kaliyan, to the youth of this world. And I will awaken them to a beautiful morning. Pratyush, morning, Manohar is beautiful. पुष्प पुष्प से तंद्रालस लालसा खींच लूंगा मैं, अपने नव जीवन का अमृत सहर्ष सींच दूंगा मैं. The poet is comparing the flower, pushp, to the new generation youth, and the poet is saying that he will draw out the sleepiness, drowsiness, the laziness, that is tandralas, from the youth and will water them, encourage them with the nectar, that is his poems. He will use his poems to encourage the youth to move forward. द्वार दिखा दूंगा फिर उनको, है मेरे वे जहां अनंत, अभी न होगा मेरा अंत. So the poet is telling that I will show the youth the way to go. Just like he found new energy in his life, he will enable the youth to find new energy in their lives. So his life is not going to end now. He has so many things to accomplish in his life. Dwar is darwaza or door, the way. And this poem is written by Suryakant Tripathi Nirala. ये कविता सूर्यकांत त्रिपाठी निराला जी ने लिखी है.
So dear students, we saw that the poem teaches us, no matter how many hardships you have, you should never lose courage and you should always follow your aims. So life is not over until you attain all your aims and ambitions. So learn well and take care. Thank you.